Guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week has been quite a roller coaster that I was unsure if I was even going to post this week. Actually, I'm shooting this video on a Thursday, and I'm supposed to finish then edit. I'm not sure if that is going to be possible, but I don't want to miss an upload tomorrow. So what I actually intend to do is I want to prepare dinner because for the past 3 days we were at the hospital with my son. He has been sick and we just came back yesterday. And being at the hospital with the matters food, actually I didn't even have time to eat because I was always constantly worried about the baby. But at least now I'm home and I really want to, I feel like eating some really nice food, and that is what I want to make today. And I would like to share that with you, the process that. But first of all, I had to head out and go buy some few items that I needed to use for dinner preparation. My little guy adamantly refused to remain at home and was the first one out of the door. He feels so good helping out, and I am so happy that he's a bit active now. So guys, we are back home and it's now time to start on that dinner preparation. But then I don't feel like I like this chicken breast. When I was taking them, they looked so nice, but now they look a bit different. I don't know. They're just giving me a very bad feeling. I don't know. Maybe they'll taste better. I just have to. I just have to cook them the way they are. Yeah, I hope that they're not bad. They have actually not expired. So let me just work with them. For the chicken, I'll just use a little seasoning, black pepper and a little bit of salt, and then just put it away for some time as I prepare other ingredients. But there's this cabbage recipe that I saw somewhere. Was it on TikTok or Instagram? I'm not sure. And I really wanted to try it. I hope it turns out nice, because you see the ingredients that I'll be using for the cabbage are the carrots and eggs, which I've never used to prepare cabbage. I just saw it and I loved the outcome, so I just wanted to try it. And unfortunately or fortunately, I'm trying it on camera and I'm hoping it turns out as I'm expecting. By the way, if you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Monicah and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. And if that is area of interest, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So guys, have you ever had a weird feeling whenever you're trying out a new thing? That's the kind of feeling that I have right now as I'm preparing the ingredients for this cabbage, and I'm really hoping that it turns out nice. But whichever way it will turn out, I will still eat it because I cannot let the energy go to waste, and the time spent preparing it go to waste. I still have to eat it. I'm done preparing the ingredients. Now it's time to heat the pan. And do not mind the way the cabbage is chopped, because me with chopping, it's not my thing really. I always like my mama mboga to do it for me, and whenever you see me chop the vegetables, then just know that my mama mboga was not around. So this is what I'm left with. I will also be making white rice, and since water has boiled, what I'll do is I just add salt. I'll add in salt and then later on add rice and then just let it cook. I now want to do the cabbage recipe, but the first step is to first of all fry the eggs. Yeah, just fry them a little bit and then set them aside. The rice is ready, so what I will do is transfer it in the sieve and then run cold water over it so that this is to stop it from cooking. Yeah, then after this, that's when I'll at least fry it, because at first initially I didn't use oil, I just used salt and water to boil the rice. I'll be doing the cooking simultaneously because I would like to save the time, because it's almost dark outside and I would like to finish this before 8 p.m. so that at least I start on editing. Truthfully, the food turned out quite well. Kwanza, the cabbage is very delicious and my family loved it. So I think it's something that I will be doing over and over again. So guys, that's it for me today, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next one.